Multiplying vectors by scalar. Now remember, a scalar just means it has a magnitude, no direction whatsoever. It says if v is a vector and it's multiplied by real scalar k, then the scalar multiple kv has a magnitude of k times v. Now magnitude is like an h. It's always positive because it's a hypotenuse. We don't talk about direction with it. It'll have a direction that tells you, that indicates which direction the magnitude will go. So here it says this direction will be determined by the sign of k. So if k is negative, it'll flip the direction of the magnitude, or the vector, rather. And if it's positive, it will continue the magnitude in the same direction, just times a value of k. So here's an example. Here it says draw a vector diagram for a minus 3b. Now, I just gave you examples on our example 3. We talked about how we would do this. You go tip to tail. So you take your a, and what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3b. Now, what does 3b mean? 3b would be 3 of these. So I'm going to make a vector here that's identical to b. And now what happens is we say it's negative. There's 3 of these, so I could first flip them. Let me see if this works. This might not work. Oh, it did. Okay, so first, if you were going to subtract it, it would flip it like that. And now you would have 3 of these. So there's -1. There would be -2. And there, or here, rather, will be -3 of these. So this is negative of b. This is another negative of b. This is another negative of b. So this line right here, from the starting point to the ending point, would be representative of a minus 3b. And so that's how that works. So if you have a negative vector, all you do is you flip the direction. So instead of it going positive this way, it'd be negative the other. That 3 just means there's 3 of them. So it's 3 times as long as this vector is here. Here's one for you to try. See what you can come up with.